क्या खराब ओरल हाइजीन से हमें सीरियस दिल की बीमारी हो सकती है? Tooth decay lead to endocarditis.
What?
Yes, hello everyone. This is me Simran. I have recently done my veneer treatment by doctor. During my microbiology study, there is a chapter related to infection, and in that chapter there is a focal infection. Now, what do you understand by focal infection? Focal site infection, in which bacteria transfer to another body part and make it secondary infection. In this, they use tooth decay as an example. अब मेरे दिमाग का वो जो सेल है ना जिसको सब कुछ जानना है, तो उसने सर्च करनी शुरू करी. Then I came to know that that's true. I mean seriously. Okay, for those who did not understand, let me clear. आपको पता ही है tooth decay क्या होता है? Cavities, दांत का कीड़ा. Then another term I use that endocarditis. It is the term referred to the inflammation of the endocardium layer of your heart, which is innermost layer, which is also responsible act as a protective barrier. अब मैंने आपको ये बता दिया कि एंडोकार्डिटिस क्या होता है. नाउ अब बैक टू द पॉइंट कि टूथ डिके से कैसे. योर टूथ डिके इज सीवियर, योर गम डिसीज इज सीवियर, ओरल बैक्टीरिया इज एक्सपोज्ड विद योर ब्लड स्ट्रीम. Via your bloodstream, it go to the heart valve. If a person is underlying the heart condition such as artificial valve and damage, only then the circulating bacteria attach to the particular area and start clumping. Now I know you also have the such kind of cells in your mind, antibodies and white blood cells that are present in our blood. तो वो फिर क्या करते हैं? They're also trying to destroy them. But however, your bacteria is so clever. Clever in the sense they hide. Also, they can multiply so quickly that your immune system does not respond and over. This is how the tooth decay lead to endocarditis. Note of this video is healthy heart tissue is generally resilient, but if you having pre-existing any heart disease and you have like weakened immune system, then you are significantly at the high. So it's best to maintain your oral hygiene and also to done your dental treatment as soon as possible to like prevent any further complication. Brushing twice a day is much better than this.